Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract ready. Preparation is key for perfect results. Now, let's craft our dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, then stir in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Next, it is crucial to chill your dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or up to 2 days. This prevents spreading. Once chilled, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll the dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, placing them on parchment-lined baking sheets. Finally, it is time to bake and decorate your masterpieces. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheets for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cool, unleash your creativity with icing and sprinkles. Enjoy your delicious homemade sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.